Hi guys, do you remember me? I am Dr. Wak, and my surname is Wak.
Wak wak.
In short, Wak Wak. Do you see the sunset?
No.
Oh, it's like an apple into my eyes. Why? Because it's blinking, blinking. You know that?
No, I don't.
So, what would you like me to do? I wanna splunk you?
What is
Hey,
that?
don't laugh at me. I told you I splunk you.
Baka
Kat,
spunk.
kasakit talaga ng mata ko. Mata. It's so sticky into my eyes. I don't know because
You see
the
kami
apple of my
nagbilog.
eyes, it's like blinking, blinking. I see a numerous.
Numerous.
Yes.
Numbers.
Okay, I keep my eyes. Then I count the blinking. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. I see
Scary.
10 bubbles. Do you know what bubbles means? Bubbles means money. I get money, money, money. Paying money, money, money. Shut.
Paying money.
Hey, I said you shut up. Shut up your camera. Okay. So you want some more?
Yeah.
What do you want to know from me? Tell me. Ask me.
Who is your loved ones?
My loved ones? Once? My loved ones?
That's plural. Once.
Plural. Once. Huh? Once. Once. I don't know once. But she is the only ones. You know? She is the only ones. And not two, not thrice, but once. Okay? What more question? Another question.
Shaila, another question.
Pass. Patay mo na.